Assalam-o-Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is most Rahman and Rahim. Hi, this is Hamid, agentic AI and full stack developer. And with me, my best friend Muhammad Hasnain.
Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you are all well. This is Assalam-o-Alaikum, agentic AI engineer and full stack developer. So guys, today we are discovering the 9 router. Basically, what is 9 router? 9 router is a free tool which used to connect your cloud with 9 router, and this is like a third party broker which connects your coding tools with Claude CLI. As you know, Claude Code is the most trending tool for coding websites, for coding softwares, or for make complex coding projects, etc.
And before we start, if you are watching for the first time, so subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, comment your question below, share with your developer friends. And in this video we will cover what is 9 router and why use 9 router, how to get free cloud code models. We will complete this tutorial step by step. By the end you will have cloud code running with free models, zero cost, unlimited usage. Let's start. Okay, first question, what is 9 router? My friend said to you, it connects your coding tool to free AI models. Normally Cloud Code costs $20 per month,
And limited context.
but with 9 router you can use it free, no subscription, no payment, nothing. How is it possible? 9 router connect to providers that offer free models like Kiro AI, iFlow, Queen. Here is you can see all providers. Here is mentioned. And why should use 9 router? Let me give you three reasons. Reason 1, free access. You can get Claude Sonnet 4.5 free and 4.6, but that is limited. But 4.5 Sonnet, that is unlimited, and Coin Coder unlimited, and other models, too much model is unlimited. Smart routing combos. If one model fail, so it will automatic start second model. So that's why you should choose it. And without wasting time, we will go ahead. First, we will see steps. First, make sure you have Node.js installed. If not, so you can install from here direct. For window, you can click here, and if you are Mac, Linux, so here is all options. And I have Node.js, so first we will check Node minus minus version. Here version is come. So also if it comes, so it mean you have Node.js. If it not comes, so you should install it. Now we will install npm 9 router. So first we will run this command.
It will install the 9 router locally in your folder, and then of 9 routers APIs, you can connect your coding tool with 9 router.
This will be, so we will do also set up cloud code. So cloud code, I will give you this all commands in description. This is cloud code command, and we will also run it. both is running, and here before was not clear documents, so I gave pull request because of billing issue. A lots of person was confused about billing issue. They were worried, they don't know ahead payment will come and bill will come. So I sent pull request, so they merged, and here is full completely detail. This is I did, and also I add here questions for developers which was before. In dashboard usage there are showing payments billing. So why they are showing? Because of we are saving this amount. So here is all ahead. In future we will pay 9 router or other service. So no, here is this answer. So here is providers about 9 router. Providers iFlow, Kiro, Queen. These are fully free. But if I say about anti-gravity and others providers, so that is limited. But we can do via combo. We can handle that. Now finally installed 9 router. So we will run this 9 router, and also install Claude Code. So we will check it. First 9 router is open. So we will enter again. Web UI will be open. Here you can see it.
Now see, it has installed in your local host, and from this local host, you can set up your APIs, you can set up your models, and you can connect multiple models and make combos also.
So first time if you come here, so you will see this page password. So 126 123 456, it is password. Login, and first you will go providers. Here is a lots of providers. You can see a lots of providers, and free providers you can see Gemini CLI, Coin Code, iFlow AI, Kiro AI. If I say about Kiro AI, so it's give us
Kimi
Son,
model.
Sonnet 4.5 cloud. So first we should connect this. From start we will do in this. If you are new in my channel, so must subscribe. You can see Kiro AI. Here you will AWS builder ID, and you will confirm if you are first time, so you will sign up. It's easy, and at the end you will confirm and continue. Allow access, and now your Kiro AI connected. Finally active, you can see here, and we have two models come. Now we will do more iFlow AI.
We should also run it into CLI, the Kiro.
You can connect all providers which you have, and free providers we have 4 right now, so you can connect all. And here combos. Why combos? If one model fails, so automatically second will be start. So that's why first Cloud Sonnet 4.5, it is too much best. That's why I am doing just this. Now the last step for the Cloud Code we will see. Here is a lot of CLI tools like Cloud Code Codex. You can connect all free. Open Cloud AI Assistant and all you can see here. So you will select Cloud Code, and here you will select your model combo which you did. Before your setting like this when you open first time. So select model which we made, advanced models, combos we have.
Now, when you select combo, the model will automatically jump into another model whenever its limit is completed.
And also here you can connect with more models here will come. You can connect as much you connect, so that will become. So at the end you will just apply.
Combo
So
can be expand as much as you want.
and here you can connect more providers. And anti-gravity also I want to tell you about it. Here you can see cloud we will start,
Let's start our cloud.
and here we will see.
You can also restart your command.
Now you can connect. And I like to open in bash. So it's your wish. You want PowerShell or command prompt or bash. You can open. First bash cmd में वो error आया bash नहीं मैं वो इंस्टॉल कर इसके लिए bash.
Okay, it's maybe system is little bit slow. We can wait a while, and the our terminal will run these things.
So
Okay, see our anti-gravity is also connected. Authorization successful, and it's showing active.
active.
Now let's open in terminal and check it. Okay, we mostly use bash. It's your choice. You can use CMD or PowerShell or whatever you want.
And here are 9 router if you will run, so you can do. And if you want for always whenever you open your PC, so you should do this hide to tray and enter, so it will run always in background.
Now you can close this terminal.
Now our anti-gravity models come 4.6 latest model of Cloud Code. It's come. We can use it also. and now we can close it. So we are closing,
and run it on bash.
and I open bash. Now you can see here, before was thus just two models come, and now we have
Anti-gravity.
anti-gravity models come also. You can select 4.6 thinking if you want for checking. Just testing we are doing, and you should always do combos because one will be fail, so second will start automatically. Now we will start Cloud. If you are first time, so you will do full setup, and here you will select for free method. You should select Anthropic console account and should log in before. If you are not login, so look like this. If you are login from here, so Cloud will
Connect you from local CLI.
$5 pop-up will come if you will do first time here. So you should do which account before you are login, like this. I am login here, so I will show both side. If I will do here, so $5 pop-up will come, and if I will do here, so it will be direct start. No need to give
Credentials.
direct. You can connect without any payment. Should before you are login. If you are doing first time with me, so you can't do this. So if you are doing first time, so first kill out AI open and login, then do this step. Now you will get access token.
Next.
Look like this. Login successfully, you can see here, and just do enter.
Yes, sir.
Again enter, again enter.
Now it's open and the Claude CLI is in front of
Now
you.
you can see it's ask you about 4.6 model, and here you can see it. 4.6 are models. So we are doing medium effort. You can do high effort, what you like.
Okay, now let's test it. And
Look at the answer come, and whatever you can do, you can create website using this, and everything you can do it.
means A to Z, all your tasks can be now managed by Claude CLI and it's totally free of cost.
So if you want like this kind of video more, so in comment box you can see what you want. You can say what you want, and
Yeah.
next video will be about spec development. We will do code with AI, Cloud Code AI. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.